So introduction to error correcting codes. So it is used for correcting errors. Suppose if I am going to send message over the channel and the channel is noisy one, okay, some of the bits are going to be changed. So it can be identified or detected and it can be corrected. Okay, by means of error correcting code we are going to do. So this is coming under channel coding. Okay. So as I told earlier, you should know the difference between source coding and channel coding. Okay. So in the source coding, we are going to improve the efficiency. Okay. We are going to reduce the redundancy and we are increasing the efficiency. Whereas in the case of channel coding, we are going to add some of the bits. Okay. So additionally, which is going to be redundant bit. So by means of that, we are going to correct the error also. So, so channel. What is the definition for channel? It is nothing but physical medium through which the messages are going to be transmitted. Okay. So channel may be telephone line, wireless, free space can be also media, even 4-wire line. Okay, we have 2-wire line for transmitting electrical signal. Okay, so we have different types of so different kinds of channel prove to different kinds of noise, which corrupt the data being transmitted. So the noise maybe it is going to be caused by lightning, sometimes human error also going to produce noise. Equipment malfunction is sometimes going to occur, and also voltage surge is going to occur. So because of this, noise is going to be may be generated, and it is going to affect the data going to be transmitted. Okay, so these error correcting codes try to overcome the effect of noise. Okay, because we are going to identify the corrupted bit. Okay, so which bit error occur, we can identify and we can detect it, and we can also correct it by means of the error correcting capability of the code. Okay, so channel coding is coming under error is coming under channel coding. Okay, so we are going to increase the redundant bit by introducing redundant bit. We are going to increase the error detection capability. So if there is a scratch on the surface of CD with the help of error correcting code, we can recover the original data from the corrupted one. Okay, that is also possible. So this I already told. So we are adding redundant bit to the actual message bit. So we are going to send over the channel, noisy channel. Okay. So the main objective of a good error correcting code is nothing but error correcting capability in terms of number of errors that it can rectify, and also when it is a good error control correcting code, so it should be it should be very fast, okay, and also efficient encoding of the message has to be achieved. So similarly for decoding also, decoding at the receiver side, when you're going to receive the message, we should within a fraction of a second we have to decode the original message, even if it is going to be corrupted by noise. So the maximum transfer of information bits per unit time also going to be one of the requirement, one of the objective of the good error control code. Okay. So number of overhead, number of bit redundant bit is also going to be minimum. By adding some overhead, so the code is going to be able to detect the error. Okay, and also it is going to correct the error. That is also possible. So, okay, basic definition. Okay, these are going to be the terminology. This is already known to you, and I'm going to recollect the source coding itself. So, what do you mean by word? Word is nothing but a sequence of symbols going to be. Suppose if I have zeros and one, I can construct a word with the help of bits 0 and 1. Okay. So similarly, code is nothing but a set of vectors called code words. Okay. So code is nothing but it is a set of vectors. So we used to say frequently code words, and then the Hamming weight of a code word or any vector, okay, code vector is equal to number of non-zero element going to be present in the code word. Okay. So we can find out the Hamming weight of a code word. Suppose if my code word is going to be only 100110. So by counting how many ones are present, how many number of non-zero elements present in the code word, I can write the weight. Okay, that is going to be Hamming weight. So the Hamming distance between two code words is going to be the number of places in. So two code words may differ. Suppose I'm going to take two code words and I can compare how many bit positions are going to be different. So that is going to give the Hamming distance between two code words. Okay. So earlier we are calculating the Hamming weight. So by counting number of non-zero elements in the code word, you can write the Hamming weight. Whereas finding Hamming distance, so we have to compare one code word with the other code words. Okay. I gave example also. So consider code C with the two code words 0100 and then 4 ones. Okay. But after, as I told earlier, when you take this code word 0100, how many non-zero are present? So it means the number of 1 present. This code word is going to be only 1. So the Hamming weight for this code word is going to be 1. Whereas for 4-1, we have 4 non-zero elements are present. So the weight is going to be 4. So I can find out the Hamming weight, Hamming distance between these two code words. So can you compare the first MSB bit position of the two code words are different. So whereas second position, same bit is we have, and then last two also we have different bits. If you compare these two code words. So the Hamming weight, Hamming distance between these two code words is going to be 3. Okay, is it clear? So you can find out Hamming weight as well as Hamming distance, right? So next is a block code consists of a set of fixed length code words, okay, which is nothing but certificate block length. Okay, so so I have some message, message. So I'm going to add some redundant bit. So after adding redundant bit, I'm going to get the code word. Okay. So I'm going to send the code word, right? I'm going to send the only code word. Okay. So what is the size of the code word? So by counting number of bits going to be used, so I can find the length of the code word. Okay. Length of the code word. I think I can share this otherwise. So 1 minute.
Sir,
1 minute, man.
the quiz is opening now, so can we attempt it?
Just now it is opening?
I just opened. I opened the link, so it is working now.
So, okay, all of you attend the quiz one. Okay, 10 minutes time I'm giving. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So others are present.
57 members are present right now.
Okay, fine. You attend. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So till what time, sir?
So now 11:29. Okay. So 11:39 you can complete. After 11:39, if you attend now, I'll disqualify that mark.
Sir,
I am not going to correct.
Sir,
We'll do it on Mondays.
Yes,
No,
sir.
you do now itself. Okay, you finish because C has already opened. Right hand. You please attend the quiz now. Okay. Finish it, no problem. I hope everybody has opened.
No, sir. Opening
But
right now, sir.
Attend.
Sir, till 11:50.
Sir, not opening for me, sir. Hello.
Hey, if one is opening, others how it is not opening, man. Tell me.
Sir, give time till 11:40, sir.
11:40 I will close. Okay, I will consider till 11:40. Okay.
Sir, 11:45. Consider it, sir. I'm just opening right now.
Oh,
See the-
sorry.
Sir, it's not opening for me, sir.
Sir,
No,
I'm
no.
unable to see only.
Yes, sir. No, it's not showing only, sir.
It's not showing, sir.
Somebody told who is she?
Sir, it is opening for most of us, sir.
Sir, Ishita, sir,
Sir,
I
Now
am
it's not
That is
opening,
fine,
sir.
sir.
Only for 1 minute, I guess it's opened for anyone. Now it's not opening.
Sir, again it will be
Sir, now
all
it's not
confusion,
open.
sir. One will open at 1 minute and everything. Deadline will be confused, sir.
Yes, sir. On Monday, you conduct.
Yes, sir.
Who has opened?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have
Better you
opened it.
take on Monday only, sir.
Sir, I have
Is it
also
opening or not?
Sir, not opening, sir.
Sir, I've opened, sir.
Sir, open, sir.
Please attend one.
Sir,
Bro,
till
fuck.
11:50.
Okay, then just
Hello, sir.
yeah, okay then. Mine's open.
Sir, can you just
Question
can you
is
at least extend the time, sir?
You first attend the quiz, super. You don't talk first, okay?
Okay.
Sir, it's not opening. Right?
Sir, can you please attend the time at least?
Sir, it's not showing for me.
You only told that already.
Yes, sir. It's not showing, sir, now.
Yes,
3
sir.
hours. No. Who has told? Somebody has told it is opening.
Sir, I cannot see.
Is it opening or not, ma?
Sir, it did open for
Sir,
me
no,
and
it's not for
others.
everyone, sir.
Sir, for
Sir, it
some
was
is
opening
for
before
some
and it just closed now, sir. Again, it's showing the same error again that form is not
Who
accepted.
has opened?
Sir, for some, it's open, sir. But for most of us, it's not opening.
Anybody is attending?
Sir, I am attending it right now, sir. It's visible to me.
So
Yes, sir.
please
Same. Sir.
understand the point. For some of them it has opened and for some of them it has not opened.
Exactly, sir.
So for me it opened, but
Sir,
then
can
it
you
refreshed
please
and now it's not
conduct it
there.
on Monday
So
itself?
this is conducted on Monday, sir. There's too much confusion right now. Please, sir.
Anyhow, I will change the question right hand.
Yeah.
Yes,
Even
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
It's fine. You change the question.
okay, sir. If you change the question
Mondays,
also, it's fine, sir.
sir.
But now the deadline will be all
Like this, it will
confused.
cause a huge confusion, sir, among the students as well.
That's all.
See, you have seen the
Yes,
question, and now you are not telling you are not attending.
So you can change the questions now, sir. That's not an issue, I guess.
So that's not a problem, sir.
So okay, Monday. Okay, I can conduct again, right? There won't be any issue on Monday, right? I'll check 2 or 3 times and then I can do it. Okay, Monday.
Sir, for those who opened the quiz, sir, what should we do?
For those who open, if you attend for 10 minutes now, I'll consider that. Otherwise, I will remove the mark. Okay.
So in that case, sir, do we have to attend the quiz on Monday also or only this one?
So it's better to take for us also on Monday because most of the time was spent talking only.
Yes,
We
sir.
couldn't
Sir,
concentrate.
Okay, ma. Okay.
Please, 5
So
minutes.
Monday I will conduct. Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir.
No.
So we're closing the link, sir. Okay.
So we are closing the link, sir.
Yeah. Okay, you can leave now. Yeah? So linear block code I'll take next class. Okay, so and then